Okay, let's take a look at example number 5. Now, you have a system of equation with some variables in them. You of course also have some constants that are not well defined. But let's read it carefully. In the system of equations above, k is a constant and x and y are variables. For what value of k would the system of equation have no solutions? Ha, that's the keyword. No solution. This is a system of no solution. Now, what does it mean when you have no solution? You know, in system of linear equation, when you plot them, right, 1 and 2, this becomes the solution of equation 1 and equation 2, this point here. So whatever x here is x and then y, right? If they have no solution, what does it mean? That means they are parallel. That means the two lines are parallel to each other. Parallel. If they are parallel, that means they have the same slope. So when you have systems that do not meet, that means they have the same slope. So in this particular case, your best bet is to arrange this equation in the slope-intercept form and just compare the slopes. So for the first one, we know kx. So let's write. So we know from the first equation, 3y is equal to minus 3y is equal to minus kx plus 4. You got to be really careful as you look, you rearrange them so that at least your signs will be maintained. So that means my y is equal to minus kx over minus 3 plus 4 over minus 3. So that gives me um, k over 3x minus 4 over 3. That's the first one, and that is my y for the first one, right? Now, how about the second one? The second one, I come back here, I will say minus 5y is equal to minus 4x plus 7. And therefore, y is equal to minus 4x over minus 5 minus 7 over 5, right? Which happens to be equal to 4 over 5x minus 7 over 5. That is my second y. So I have this equation here, and I have this equation here, and I have to compare. So, you know, as far as slope is concerned, I don't care about this y-intercept, right? So I'm worried about the slope. So that means if they are parallel, then k over 3 should be equal to 4 over 5, right? So my k therefore has to be equal to 12 over 5. Cross multiply. Cross multiply this, go there, it becomes 4 times 3 divided by 5. Therefore k has to be 12 over 5. So let's run through, go find the answer. So where's the answer? Not this, not this, not this. So boom, right here. So answer is A. All right, that's straightforward. So always remember, when they are parallel, they don't meet. Therefore, they have the same slope.